Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid watery sun gel. First, ensure your skin is clean and toned, creating a fresh canvas for optimal absorption. Dispense a small, pea-sized amount, roughly 1/4 of a teaspoon, onto your fingertips. Then, gently spread this lightweight gel across your entire face and neck, ensuring even coverage. Pat it in softly until it feels fully absorbed, leaving no sticky residue. This initial step is crucial for effective sun protection and hydration. For best results, apply your hyaluronic acid watery sun gel as the very last step in your morning skincare regimen, after all your serums and moisturizers. A good rule of thumb for the face and neck is to use about 2 full finger lengths of the product, ensuring you get sufficient protection. This amount typically provides the advertised SPF. Give the gel at least 15 minutes to fully absorb and create its protective barrier before you apply any makeup, allowing it to settle properly. Consistent reapplication is key for continuous sun protection. You should reapply your hyaluronic acid watery sun gel every 2 hours, particularly if you are outdoors, sweating, or have been swimming. If you wear makeup, you can still reapply by gently patting the gel over your foundation or using a sun cushion for convenience. Remember to extend application to all exposed areas, such as your ears, neck, and the backs of your hands, for comprehensive protection against harmful UV rays. This watery sun gel offers dual benefits: powerful sun protection and intense hydration from hyaluronic acid. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs rapidly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and moisturized without any sticky residue or a noticeable white cast. For optimal product efficacy, store your sun gel in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Always check the expiration date to ensure maximum protection and skin benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.